Hello everyone, welcome back to the Communicators. This is Pulkit Maheshwari and today I'll be sharing a very interesting thing with all of you. One of my friend has got selected in Accenture and has received Accenture Assets, which is the Accenture laptop. And today I'll be unboxing it in this video. Also, I would like to remind you, if you are new to this channel, kindly go through the content of the channel. You will definitely love it, as we regularly post off-campus job updates and also give interview experiences along with interview preparation strategies. And for now, without wasting much time, let's get started.